guys? It's Jovi, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Listen. I had to come live with this one. I had to make a quick video with this one. I don't even want to do a whole live because I'm distracted by the smells. I'm distracted by the smells. Lil Meech from BMF, Big Meech's son, and Summer Walker are apparently allegedly dating. My nose flared up when I heard the news. Listen, I always say smelly people can only be with smelly people. Unclean, musty folks, allegedly. Alleged musty folks should only be with musty folks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me put you on. Okay, so it came out about a year ago. An actress on BMF has stated, and it's been stated other outside of her, that Lil Meech smells. He's musty. He ain't one of them people, I guess, okay, who comprehends to clean his body. Maybe he just eats whatever. He doesn't bathe. I don't know what it is. Maybe he doesn't like changing his things. I don't know what it is. But we also know, who we did a story about it, and Summer Walker spoke about it even before she had babies, okay? And I'm not knocking her for being a mother and dating. I think she should actually work on herself because I think it's too early. But I have seen some people that were saying, oh, she got 3 kids. Why would Meech want to date her? Why wouldn't he want to date her? She's bad. Okay, the girl is bad. All right. We're grown up. Everything is not what y'all read on y'all Kevin Samuel S situations. I don't see anything wrong necessarily with Meech or any other celebrity dating or marrying, or a regular person dating or marrying somebody who has a child, right? Y'all want us to take on y'all burdens, but y'all, anywho, before the babies came, Summer Walker told us that she didn't like taking showers, okay? She a bird bath ass person, probably like Meech, right? They are allegedly a little musty, okay? Both of them. So to me, honestly, it actually probably makes a lot of sense, okay? 2 musty people probably are good together, because I see how that can be a problem even with a guy who is clean. Like, after a while, this girl is musty. She don't bathe or nothing. Her coochie might smell. Or a dude who don't bathe or nothing. You don't want to go down there. Have you smelled the dudes who don't wash up? Oh, my Lord. Ain't nobody want to deal with that. So they are probably a good match for each other. That Lamborghini. Child, let me pull this picture up. Okay? That Lamborghini probably smells atrocious. Shout out to On Site. Someone said not Summer Walker and Lil Meech walking through Target with glasses on trying to hide. Lil Meech and Summer Walker messing around. I know the room musty. I know that car dusty, child. Okay, Summer Walker got Lil Meech, good stepdaddy. I'm dying. No, he's not. Meech and Summer Walker hanging out seems funky, extremely funky. That car needs to be aired out. You don't want to get into. Ooh. So this is the picture we are all talking about, okay? Or the people all talking about. As you can see, they're at Target, okay? This is the Lamborghini. She posted the Pringles. She posted herself. He posted the inside of the car. We already know the vibes. It is what it is. Again, she's young. She's trying to live her life. This is why I always tell y'all not to be a dude's baby mother. Being a baby mother is only a detriment to you, because now she's getting a little older. She want to live her life. She honestly can date whoever she wants, right? She can. But I just wish that she would make better choices, okay? Outside of her hygiene. Her hygiene allegedly is, I don't be wanting to say they a match, but shit, I feel like after a certain age, if you choose not to be cleansed, like to clean your body, or cleanse, you choose not to cleanse, you choose to live amongst filth, you choose to smell yourself and be okay with your smells and be okay with people's reaction to your smells. Like, I don't think that things changes with ages. These people, both of them are in their mid-20s. They are thoroughly okay with being funky. Okay, they're thoroughly okay with being funky and people knowing that they're funky. And I guess, like I said, my only, like, what the hell is, I wish she literally just had these babies like 2 months ago. And I literally would just wish that she would take at least 6 months with no dude in sight to focus on why she keeps making these badass decisions. That's what I wish. But I guess if she gonna have a man, I guess the only man she can actually really have is a man who is musty his damn self. Because if he ain't musty, he gonna be disgusted. Two must buckets belong together. That's what I heard. I don't know personally, but